Hello friends, in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how you can install Kali Live Linux machine. In Kali Live Linux machine, your work will be temporarily saved. So if you reboot your Kali machine, it will be in new state. So remember, if you are installing Kali Live, don't do your important work. Use it for only temporary reason. In previous video tutorial, I already told you that you have to install any virtual environment in which we are going to install our Kali machine. So I already installed VM workstation or Fusion in my Mac machine. You can see here I already downloaded Kali ISO image on my desktop. Go to your virtual machine and click on New. Then click on Create a custom virtual machine and continue. Select Other Linux 2.6x kernel 64-bit and click Continue. Select this option, create a new virtual disk and click Continue. Then go to Customize setting and give a name to this machine. I am giving it Kali. Save it. Don't click here. First of all, if you are using like as any type of computer system, how you do installation? You have to insert any pen drive that containing your ISO image or your window. So in this, go to CD, click on connect and choose your disk image. You can see I already downloaded on my desktop, so I am selecting it from desktop. Click open, again click on show all, go to processor, give it almost 1 GB. Okay, now you can give 2 processor, 1 process, it will be okay. Click on show, minimize it and now click on it. You can see this interface. We will install graphical installation later. So right now I'm going to do live installation. Click on live and hit enter. It's doing some booting process. So even you can see using our Kali Linux live installation, we can access our Kali machine within some seconds. Thank you for watching.